Hello everyone. Welcome back to Online Help Guide. Today, in this video, I will be showing you how to delete quote tweet post on Twitter. First, open the Twitter app on your phone. Tap on your profile from the top left corner. From the side panel, tap on the profile. Select the quote tweeted post you want to delete. Tap on the three-dot icon from the top right corner. Now tap on delete tweet. Then tap on the delete. And you will delete quote tweet posts. Thank you for watching Online Help Guide. Hope this video was helpful, and you're able to delete quote tweet post on Twitter. If you like our video, then don't forget to hit the like button on our video and comment down if you have any question or feedback. Also, if you are new to our channel, please subscribe and hit the bell icon to our channel.